Hello all. In this video, I'll be showing how the faculties can use Posto app for various activities. If you have not downloaded the Posto app, you can download it through App Store or Play Store. The link for the app has been sent to the IQAC coordinator or to the IQAC director of your institution. You can use that link to download the app. The app is available on both, like I said, App Store and your Play Store. So basically in Android and iOS devices. This is an iOS device. Let me show you what the app looks like. So this icon, if you see Posto New, that is the app. If you have already downloaded the app, all I want to do is just open the app and then close it so that the app updates itself. So just open it, open the screen and then remove it. So this way the app can update itself. So we use different kind of app update. Generally, if you see, you will get a manual update, kind of notification where it says that the app needs to be uploaded or updated. But here it is not like that. We update it via the air. So all you have to do is just open the app and then close it 1 or 2 times and then the app gets updated. So once you've done that, you can just open the app. There are multiple options. You can log in as a faculty, log in with your credentials. As soon as you log in, so this is your home screen, you will see a couple of things. One is that you can see circulars and clubs. Circulars will talk about whatever circulars have been sent. So this can be done by either the IQAC coordinator or the principal or even the HOD. Basically, all the circulars, all the notifications, everything will be seen here. The second option is My Personal Data. This is for adding details like seminar, publications, projects, books, etc. There are two things that you can do here. One, click on it and you will see the seminar data that you have already added. You can just scroll and see all of the details. One other thing that you can also do is add data. This was, I think, most requested by all of the institutions since many faculties did not have access to laptops or computers. They wanted us to give an option where they can add data, seminar, publication, my activities data in the phone. We have added that. If you click on the plus button, you can add the seminars here, title, duration, amount, and then you can just do this and then add it. That is all. You can just click on add participation details and your seminar will be added. Similarly, for publications as well, you can see what you have added. You can also add publications. So just click on this, select the whatever drop downs we have given and participation details. Similarly, you can add data for all of the options that are given here. Other than that, we have also added accreditation. If you are assigned some metric, let's say criteria 1 or criteria 2, and in those criteria, if you have been assigned some metrics, that will be visible here. You can see whatever has been assigned to you. You can just click on it and you can see what you have added. You can also add data. This is for your criteria. So all criteria have been added here. Whatever you are assigned, you can just click on it and then start adding the data and view data as well. These are some options that are available. Below, if you see, you can also view what are the classes that are there for you, what you have scheduled. If you have not scheduled, you can do that also. You can add your workload from here. And, if there are some value-added courses, details that you want to see, you can see it from below here. These are some options that are available. And if you have any more queries, you can ask it via the ticketing system. That is available in the web portal. You can log in and ask queries. Thank you.